woken up by thunderstorms. I've been up for 30 minutes. Tried to fall back asleep. Can't. So let's start with the video.
Hello there.
Time to make breakfast. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys so that you can see what I'm doing. Which basically there's nothing I need to show you guys because you know the drill. Because yogurt bowl it is. Let's go. I basically wanted to sit at my desk by now, but I guess we're not doing it. Not studying before 8 AM. Have a banana, but then we need something crunchy, and I'm thinking about cereal or oats. Chocolate chips. Let's eat. Time to study. Biochem it is. Also die Währungen im Stoffwechsel sind einmal ATP, Kreatinphosphat, Acetyl-CoA, NADH und NADPH+, H+. Okay, so this is my lunch. You can't really see, but it's fresh cucumber, pickled cabbage, pickled beetroot, and leftover pasta from yesterday's dinner. So that's the exam plan. That has all the dates of when I have my exams or when I have anything close or related to the exam. Any day that is pushed out to the left-hand side or something where I personally don't have any exam, but where I either have to be at school for this one or for this one, or these two, or when I have a day off. And then green is the written exams. It's the subjects. It's German and English mixed. It's just easy for me with the German stuff. That is very relevant. And the rooms, and then practical ones, what's happening and when, and then the oral ones plus all the rooms where they will be checked so that I don't know. Have that. It's not that it's necessary while studying, but it just kind of keeps me sane. So that's it with the weekend.
Help me! Help me!
So that's it with the weekend vlog, guys. Not much is going to happen. It's almost 6 p.m. I think. It's 5:40. My bad. But I'm gonna make dinner or like prep food for tomorrow to take with me to work. Read a couple chapters in my book. And then I'll be off to bed. So, hope you guys like that video. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'll see once I edit it next week. But, or like, this week. Once this one's uploaded. But if you guys liked it, then make sure to let me know. If you would like to see more day-to-day life vlog video kind of things. I really don't know what you guys want to see. Yeah, so other than that, I guess we'll continue, guys. Around to us next. Until then, see ya and have a good one. Bye.